Assalamu alaikum, grade 4 students. Okay, if you hold a stone or a rock in your right hand, now try closing the fist of your both hands tightly. You will be able to close the fist of your left hand but not the right. Why? You know why? You want to know the answer of this question? Okay, so yesterday we have learned some new terminologies from the chapter properties of matter, and it's our story day today. So in this story I'm sure that we will learn a lot about properties of matter. Okay, so close your books and you have to listen to me very carefully to understand that what we have in this story. Okay, so I'm going to start a story, and the story name is Properties of Matter. Okay, great. So that's because the rock has a mass. The mass has taken some space in your right hand. The rock is a form of matter, and all forms of matter have a mass. They take up space. You will also feel that the left hand feels light but the right hand feels heavier. आपने ये भी महसूस किया होगा कि आपका जो लेफ्ट हैंड है वो काफ़ी लाइट है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके अंदर वो रॉक नहीं थी. लेकिन आपका जो राइट हैंड है वो आपको हैवियर फील होगा. यू विल ऑल्सो फील दैट द लेफ्ट हैंड फील्स light but the right hand feels heavier. Matter has a weight. Matter का वजन होता है. Matter has a weight. That's why your right hand feels heavier than the left hand. Matter is found in three basic forms. Matter हमें three basic forms में मिलता है. Matter is found in three basic forms: solid, liquid and gas. Your body has all three forms of the matter. आपका जो जिस्म है उसमें तमाम के तमाम थ्री फॉर्म्स हैं मैटर की. Your body has all three forms of matter. The bones, skin and organs are the solids. The saliva in your mouth and the blood in your veins is liquid. The air you breathe in and out is gas. They all take up space and they all have weight. ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो जगह भी घेरती हैं और इन तमाम चीज़ों का एक weight भी होता है. They all take up space and they all have weight. Composition of matters. All forms of matter are made of tiny atoms. You cannot see these atoms but they are there. आप इन एटम्स को देख नहीं सकते लेकिन ये होते हैं. You cannot see these atoms but they are there. In solids they are very close to each other. In liquids they are little further apart, but in gases they are very far from each other. Blow a balloon and hold it in your left hand. This balloon has a gas. The gas has taken up lots of space. ये जो गैस है इसने बहुत ज़्यादा जगह घेरी है. The gas has taken up lots of space. It means it has a volume. इसका मतलब है कि इसका एक वॉल्यूम है. It means it has a volume. But it's lighter than the stone in your right hand. The stone has less volume, but it's heavier. That's because the stone has less volume but more weight. Why does that happen? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why does that happen? The atoms of the stone are very close to each other. ये जो stone है इसके atoms बहुत करीब करीब हैं. The atoms of the stone are very close to each other. That makes the stone heavier with less volume. The atoms of the gas in the balloon are far apart. That's why it takes more space but has less weight. We have to weigh a solid to find out its mass. हमें एक सॉलिड का वजन करना पड़ेगा ये जानने के लिए कि इसका मास क्या है. वी हैव टू वेयर सॉलिड टू फाइंड आउट इट्स मास. इट्स मास इज इट्स वेट. अ स्केल इज यूज्ड टू फाइंड द वेट ऑफ सॉलिड. सॉलिड्स का वज़न मालूम करने के लिए हमें तराजू की ज़रूरत या वेट्स की ज़रूरत होती है. अ स्केल इज़ यूज्ड टू फाइंड द वेट ऑफ सॉलिड्स. द वेट कैन बी इन मिलीग्राम्स, ग्राम्स और किलोग्राम्स. जो वज़न होता है वो मिलीग्राम, ग्राम्स या किलोग्राम्स में होता है. A solid that has more weight feels heavier, which means it has more mass. An inflated football will look bigger than a 2 kilogram bag of sugar, but the bag of sugar will weigh more than the football. The measure the volume of a solid, we multiply the width, the height and the thickness. But what if the solid does not have a regular shape? For example, we can find out the volume of a block but not of rock. That's done by putting the rock in the water. The water displaced by the rock is its volume. A football will displace more water than brick because it has more volume, but the brick will be heavier than football because it has more weight. लेकिन जो ईंट है वो ज़्यादा भारी होगी फुटबॉल से क्योंकि उसका वेट, उसका वज़न ज़्यादा है. But the brick will be heavier than football because it has more weight. Matters, state and shape. Solids don't change shape easily. जो सॉलिड्स होते हैं वो आसानी से अपनी शक्ल तब्दील नहीं करते. Solids don't change shape easily. One way to change their shape is to dissolve them in a liquid. Sugar is solid, but you can change it into liquid by mixing it in water. Another way to change the form of a solid is heating. सॉलिड को चेंज करने का, उसकी फॉर्म को चेंज करने का एक और तरीका जो है वो क्या है, उसको हीट करना है. Another way to change the form of a solid is heating. Ice is solid, but it is changes into the liquid when it's heated. Solids need different amounts of heat to melt. Ice melts easily, but it takes lots of heat to melt iron. Water is a liquid. Just like water, all liquids have volume and weight. It means liquid take up space and they can be weighted. Solids don't change their shape, but liquid takes the shape of their containers. We weight liquids in liters. हम जो इस लिक्विड है उसका वेट किस में करते हैं, लीटर्स में. वी वेट लिक्विड्स इन लीटर्स. यू हैव सीन द प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स दैट कंटेन सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स और वाटर. दे बिकम इन लीटर्स. The weight of all the bottles you see in a shop is given on the label. Bigger bottles hold more liquid, so they have weigh up to 2 liters. जो बड़ी बॉटल होगी उसमें ज़्यादा लिक्विड है तो वो तकरीबन 2 लीटर तक हो सकता है. बिगर बॉटल्स होल्ड मोर लिक्विड, सो दे हैव वे अप टू 2 liters. Small bottles and cans have less liquid, so they have weigh in milliliters. Water changes its forms when the heat is increased or decreased. Most of the water around the world is in form of liquid. ज़्यादातर जो पानी है दुनिया का वो किस फॉर्म में मौजूद है, लिक्विड की फॉर्म में. मोस्ट ऑफ द वाटर अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिक्विड. ओनली सम ऑफ इट्स फाउंड इन वेरी कोल्ड प्लेसेस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सॉलिड आइस. Some water changes into vapors and rises up into clouds. It's called evaporation. The water vapors turn into the water once they reach the cloud, which is called condensation. This water becomes down in the form of rain, called precipitation. Water can turn into steam if heat is applied. जो पानी है उसको आप भाप में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं अगर क्या हो उसको हीट दी जाए. वाटर कैन टर्न इनटू स्टीम इफ हीट इज अप्लाइड. यू नीड टू राइज द टेम्परेचर of the water to 100 centigrade to turn into steam. Steam is another form of gas. Liquids can be thick. You can make water thicker by mixing sugar or corn starch in it. Thicker liquids take longer to move from one place to another. Liquids can take up the shape of their containers. Their surface is always plain, but thicker liquid takes longer to create an even and smooth surface. Honey is a good example of this. Pour honey into a ball. It will take a few seconds to create a plain surface, but the water will do the same very quickly. Gas is the third form of matter. गैस जो है वो मैटर की थर्ड फॉर्म है. गैस इज द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ मैटर. इट हैज वेट एंड वॉल्यूम, बट इट्स वॉल्यूम इज मच मोर देन इट्स वेट. दैट्स व्हाई अ लिटिल गैस कैन टेक अप लॉट्स ऑफ स्पेस. The atoms in a gas are further apart than solids and liquids. That's why gas can take up lot of space. The volume of solid and a liquid remains the same, but the volume of a gas can change. Gas will take less space if compressed and fill a large space if transferred to a larger container. The volume of natural gas is measured in cubic feet. जो नेचुरल गैस है उसको हम मेजर किस में करते हैं? क्यूबिक फीट में. द वॉल्यूम ऑफ नेचुरल गैस इज मेजर्ड इन क्यूबिक फीट. 1 cubic foot of gas is the amount of gas that fills 1 cubic foot of space. Heat can make atoms of gas move faster and faster. That makes gas expand. If gas is heated up in a closed place, then atoms start moving in different directions. They hit the wall of container and each other, soluble and insoluble. Some solids can dissolve in liquids. कुछ ऐसे solids हैं जो dissolve हो जाते हैं liquids में. Some solids can dissolve in liquids. Salt and sugar dissolve in water. Such solids are called soluble. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि नमक और चीनी ये डिज़ोल्व हो जाते हैं आसानी से पानी में, तो ऐसे जो सॉलिड्स होते हैं उनको सॉल्युबल्स कहते हैं. सॉल्ट एंड शुगर डिज़ोल्व इन वाटर. सच सॉल्युबल्स आर कॉल्ड soluble. Such solids are called soluble, but some don't. Sand and plastic are two common solids that do not dissolve in water easily. They are called insoluble. How can we separate sand from water? To do that, we first leave the sandy water standing still for some time. That way, much of the sand in the water will settle at the bottom. This is called sedimentation. Now separate the water of the top from sand by slowly pouring water into another container. This is called decantation. Now water is not as muddy as it was before. To separate the remaining sand from water, use a filter paper or a fine cloth. Check the water that has passed through the filter. It is clean. So where did all the sand go? Look at the filter paper closely. It's trapped in the filter paper. This process is called filtration. So I know this is very interesting story. Yes, it's lengthy story, but it's very interesting story. In this story, we read about different kind of matter, solid, liquid, and gases. Okay. So what is your home assignment for today, grade 4? Your home assignment is that you have to read this story in front of your any family member, like in a story way, in an interesting way, and you have to ask someone to record you while you are telling the story, and you have to send this video to your teacher. Okay, fine. So inshallah tomorrow we will meet again with another interesting activity. Allah Hafiz.